You have an American dream, but you are an immigrant with no clue on how to make it a reality. Don't worry, Algorizin's got you covered. First, let's get you on board. Join our community, connect with your role models, build a career roadmap, attend live lectures, learn on-demand technical skills, complete projects, and receive instant feedback. Track your progress, get one-on-one mentorship. Wait, is that another immigration problem? Don't worry, discuss it with our in-house lawyers. Join a startup, work on a real-world product, gain hands-on experience, boost your portfolio. Now sit back and relax while we hunt for jobs for you. Practice pitching skills, master the process, ace the interview, land the perfect job, and now live your American dream.